Hello guys, it's Luke Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Afterpay on your WordPress or WooCommerce website. Let's get straight into it. So here I am on the WordPress homepage. The first thing we're going to do is install a plugin which is going to allow us to install Afterpay. So we're going to head to the plugins area, and from here we're going to search Stripe. For those that haven't used Stripe before, Stripe's a plugin that facilitates transactions. So if we search Stripe, it comes up pretty fast. Now you want to note there is the official WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway. We don't want to use that. Have a look at the ratings. It's not the greatest. We want to head across and use the one by Payment Plugins. They've got a great rating and they work much better. As you can see, I've already installed it here, so I can update mine if I want to. Once you've installed it, you'll see it appear along your left hand side in this little box here in the menu called Stripe Gateway. Now for those that haven't seen Stripe before, Stripe is essentially an online payment gateway for linking your website and taking payments. Essentially it all funnels through into Stripe, keep it nice and simple. So what you want to do is you want to go into this setting here, Stripe Gateway, that we've just downloaded, the plugin. And you'll see on the API settings, this is where it's actually linking your plugin through to your Stripe account. You will know, because of this, you'll have to have a Stripe account set up. So if you hit start now, you can sign up and do that. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Once you've signed up, we're then going to link it in here. The easiest way to do that is simply click to reconnect or click to connect. This button here, you will then put in your details, your login details, your username and password, and the Stripe plugin plugs in straight through to your platform, your Stripe account. Now there's modes, there's a test mode and a live mode. In test mode, your payments won't actually go through. You'll be able to put test payments through, but there'll be no money taken out of your account or the test credit card account. These will get automatically filled in when you connect, so you don't have to worry about this. Once you've done that, hit save and you're set to go. The next thing we've got to do is head to the WooCommerce settings. So we'll head down here, head to settings, hit that, and we're going to go to the payments tab. Now here on the payments tab is where you enable or disable the payments that you have set up. So you can see installing that Stripe plugin has given us a heap of different payments, from WeChat through to Klarna through to Afterpay. That's what we're after. So we're going to tick Afterpay on and make that little bar purple, and then we're going to hit manage. So this is where we set up the individual settings and then can access the documentation. So if you want to learn more about the documentation of setting it up, you can head up here and hit documentation, and then that takes you to where you want to set up some stuff in Stripe, like you want to activate your not PayPal account, your Afterpay account in Stripe, and it shows you some testing you can do for that. Now down here is where we adjust the factors, like where Afterpay appears, where you sell to, where it appears on the product or cart page, hide if it's for ineligible people, the coloring of it, and essentially we can control absolutely everything from this page. So you want to make sure that you enable Stripe so it's going to appear and use at checkout. You want to adjust this to suit your terms and conditions, and then you're pretty much set to go. Now, for those that haven't used Afterpay before, it's a payment service that breaks up your payment into several payments. I think it's 4 easy payments, and it's a really great tool for businesses if they've got high expensive products and they want to make them more accessible for everyone. So it's really valuable. If you've got, a $10,000 product and you want to make it a bit easier for someone to access, you can use Afterpay to help, increase your conversion rate and increase the sales on your website. So I really recommend installing it if you haven't already done so on your e-commerce website. Keep in mind, you can't put donations through Stripe. So if you're a charity, not Stripe, you can't put donations through Afterpay. So if you're a charity, you can't use Afterpay. I hope this video helped, guys. Stick around, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you do enjoy. Keep well. I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.